Mwanchu muligeri tukolia kianda y'umutinyi 10 mwaka bw'ekiri 2025 bona mesa ya maiya nigo ya kwariganiria aliagendete gokorekana ase chinsemo unabaliki baito bayalentire gwikaiga igase getaseni ekigito gya Nsoko TV lietaliane ni Innocent Onyango. Mwanchu muligeri tugochaka kuruase kiombe gya komesa sumurai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto acholiru koira libaga lyoko bumunyakiro bwe kiombe kyo sumurai bwense ya Zimbabwe Musike Emerson Mnangagwa acholiru ko bomokonye abarai kurwa chinse nigo bari meyo mucho Nairobi elio hochengere myaka 30 kurwe kiombe kyo gya chagetiwe. Dr. Ruto nigatebire kiombe kyo kiagachiro bomo asasabira abarai be chinseme osebe chinse kurwa sorongorwo kogendera gukinya obuncholeria egati yabo.
As we gather tonight, we celebrate far more than our past achievements. We celebrate a journey, one of courage, resilience, and partnership. We take pride in the bonds that continue to strengthen us, the common markets that has expanded opportunity and trade, the shared challenges we have confronted together, and the bold aspirations that propel us towards a more inclusive and prosperous future. Excellencies, this year marks 30 years of remarkable progress of COMESA's transformative journey towards regional integration under the fitting theme, leveraging digitalization to deepen value chains for sustainable and inclusive growth. Tomorrow, we will deliberate, we will decide, and we will drive change as partners determined to shape the next chapter of Africa's economic story. But tonight, let us simply be brothers and sisters in progress. We will be toasting to a COMESA that is digital, a COMESA that is dynamic, and a COMESA that is deeply inclusive. Welcome once again, and thank you for making this evening
Mwanchu muligeri abarebe chikanisa inse kiombe kya NCCK balire eira yogo chiakobe kamarandia yogo segetaba Kenya wesokia elio kweli kibuna abaki chikura bose obo waka chikura cy'umwaka bw'ikiri 2022.
NCCK clergy have committed to conducting voter sensitization in all their forums, including before or after sermons and during social gathering. This is to ensure that people register as voters before the deadline. The church renders therefore resolved to carry our consistent sensitization through their congregation every Sunday. Concerns have been raised regarding proposed government regulations on churches. Renders call for meaningful and coordinated dialogue with the policymakers to safeguard freedom of worship.
I want to encourage the young people this particular time of voter registration. I'm calling upon them to come out in large numbers to go and register as voters. If we want to change the leadership, this is the high time, this is the time now. Let's register as voters so that we can have power in 2027 at the ballot. Number two, I'm happy that the government is putting up some projects in Meru, like improving the Meru level 5 to level 6 hospital and improving the Koromone market. This is the opportunity for job creation. So young people, let's turn out in good numbers so that we can embrace the opportunity. And even having an airstrip.
Mwanchu muligeri tokagenda busia abantu batatu nigo bagendete konyora oburwaria kubwatekana no gwateka kwindu ali Elisabesa imeyo mucho Kiligori isyo yogotoka ase sub county ya Transmara wikiraboniga abantu 50 nigo bagendete konyora oburwaria chinga kiebirengo byense byobochenu byabwataniwe no mwateko wendwali eyo.
Uko hapa na watoto wana choo yenye watoto wanatumia. Mvua ikinyesha maji inachaa mpaka huko. Mtoto akitoka hapa amebeba madudu za choo kwa kiatu. Anakuja nazo kwa nyumba.
Takataka hata hawaokoti. Tunaambiwa watu wameandikwa ya kuokota takataka wanaokota kama miezi 3 hawapewi msaada wanafutwa.
Hii ndio maji tunatumia sana sana, mimi napeleka kwa moteli. Choo imejengwa karibu na maji. Hatuna hata barabara.
Wancho muligeli mage serikali kobeka umurubili bwogo chaki kiganja kyanyota ikigo chikurwa bokonyi bwogo siraba sae. Ensemo y'abasaye kuri umucyo Nairobi nigo besokiri na kuri birengereri byawe ibikogenda mamincha nikeganchekyo asibate birubuna ikeganchekyo nigo kirachigo kwabuna kelia kia Hustler Fund.
Ni Nyota na Hustler hakuna tofauti, ni ile. Hii mambo mnakuja naye ya kuhelp vijana, mtaka kufund vijana through Nyota program. It is good. But program hiyo najua wataingia na masangwenya ndani, kutakuwa na ukora mingi ndani ambaye tangikwe machua itakuwa imevurugwa na wakora wengi ndani, kwa sababu hakuna mtu ambaye kwa government hapa mzuri. Kila mtu ambaye ako hapo anaingia na interest yake. Hatuchukue nani anaingia na interest yake.
Ndio empowerment. Tunaona mnatuambia hii mambo ya Nyota program iko sawa, but je, kama niko na swali naweza kama ni Hutu unapata hii Nyota program ndio iko, lakini ukinipatia 10,000 nianzishe biashara, then you overtax me. Unaelewa? Ni ukishani ni taxiwe na kanjo individual akuje nimpe 100. Haya, county government one tax. Haya, national government one tax. In a day the taxation ifike kitu kama 500.
Then they have come up with another thing called Nyota. It will also collapse. Why? Because it is not the mandate of the government to do business, to give out loans. No government in the world does that. It is the mandate of the government to allow the private sector to grow. The government must create a conducive environment for credit institutions like banks so that they can be able to provide credit facilities to Kenyans.
Mwancho muligeli aboroki balense kiombe gya kupet kurwa chinsagi cyanyeli na Muranga besokiri na kwamerelia umurubili olengetigo chekonganya wakanero kwobo bwenya wetera ekegancha go somurubili osha.
We have seen in the papers that by 1st December all teachers will be moved to SHA. We are here this morning saying that humbly and kindly no teacher in this country wants to be moved to SHA. Yet we pay 2 medical covers in our pay slips. So we are giving this morning 2 proposals. Number 1, if we are going to be moved to SHA by 1st December, let it be noted that all teachers want is a comprehensive medical cover, so that a teacher can move to any hospital in this country and seek for medical services. And if the comprehensive cover is not on the table, what we are humbly requesting the government is very simple, and our union leaders. Now that we pay 2 medical covers in our payslip, let SHA remain there, and let us now get back our old medical cover back in our payslips, so that teachers can now seek these services from other private practitioners.
We have 20,000 intern teachers who do not know their fate. Their contract is about to end in 2 months' time. The government, together with the employer and the union, are silent. We are requesting them humbly, come and talk to our intern JS teachers. Come and declare your stand. We don't want a repeat of what happened at the beginning of last year, where we had JS teachers in an unprotected strike, went to strike, then they were given show cause letters, they faced disciplinary. It was a traumatizing event for our teachers. And remember that mental health is very important for us teachers, because they are dealing with our kids. Kindly the government, kindly the union, and kindly the employer, sit down, give us the way forward for our colleague teachers.
Muligere lingo koira kuikase kaunti ya Nyamira somuske Brian Nyobande atia ni una koira libaga lyokobo mwemsio mochole bwikiama kia ODM meye bunge ye kaunti ya Nyamira umusko pande nigairire libaga lya Dickson Machungo oyo lietalia lya tugutwa nekegambero.
I, Brian Opande Mokai, shall always, truly and diligently serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the County Assembly member at Nyamira County, that I shall diligently discharge my duties and perform my functions in the said office to the best of my judgment, that I shall at all times respect, uphold, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya, and that I shall do right to all manner of persons in accordance with the Constitution of Kenya and the laws and the conventions of Parliament, that I shall do justice to all. So help me God.
Schedule 1, Nyamira County, 046, marginalized list. Delete Dixon Machungo Mogaka, gender male, ID as listed, ending with 490. Nature of interest, youth. Name of party, Orange Democratic Movement. Seats allocated 1. Insert. Number 3. Name, Brian Opande Mokaya. Gender, male. ID number ending with the 380, special interest, youth. Name of party, Orange Democratic Movement. Seat allocated 1. Signed by Erastus Edan Etakon, Chairperson, Independent Electoral and Boundary Review. Members,
Oncho muligari na umurai we kiama kia Democratic Party Justin Muturi omochiri umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto asatebire serikali yaye nigetenerete okubuno kwa machiko amono boronge bwa mwanyabantu nigaya kwanira yase chinsemo chie bunge ya mbere ekerari kumwakira campaign umurwaneli we kirugekyo osoyo koligie kirugekyo gwetere ticket gose tikiti ye kiamekyo kia Democratic Party.
Ruto akituambia anatuuliza sisi katika upinzani ati tuko na sera gani? Hakuna haja ya kumpatia sera. Kwa kwanza yeye hana akili ya kusikiza kitu chochote. Na mimi nasema mchana, mtu anasimamia mauaji. Utafanya kazi na yeye namna gani? So kwa hivyo mimi nasema hapa mbele tuache kudanganywa. Ati tusitoke kwa serikali. Sisi hatutaki serikali ya namna hiyo. Tunataka serikali inayojali maslahi ya wananchi. Kuhakikisha kuna madawa hospitalini. Kuhakikisha madaktari wanalipwa ndio waweze kutibu wagonjwa wetu. Kuhakikisha kwamba walimu wanalipwa vizuri. Kuhakikisha kwamba kuna pesa inapelekwa inaitwa capitation ya kujenga mashule zote Kenya bila mambo ya kuitisha mambo kuambia mambo ya basari. Kwa hivyo najua ni kitu gani mimi nasema. Tunaanza kudanganywa ati mabarabara, ati barabara hii barabara kutoka Kikuyare hapa kwenda kupitia Kenie mpaka Ishiara. Ni barabara kubwa, ni barabara ndefu sana. Ati kwa sasa juzi wameweka 49 million.
Mwancho muliri wikirabu ne kiromwelio bwa maiya chinsa isana ibere kurwe mesa ito ya maiya na namono nigo chetire chitaika 14 ase chinsa chisana ibere nigo nkoire ne limbu ya mono go cha se toldi oyo nyara kobaga kuligereria nga emerengali ya wikire buya na namono na producer ite kurunga John Kebati bakobwaterana na Sultan na boygo Diana Ndemo oyo genda ase chinsa mo chia Karen go chikuligereria binde bibere bitatu twakabere na erega igeli Italiane Innocent Onyango.